Hey guys, Ray the Video Guy here, and this morning I've got a new product that I want to do a quick demo and review of called FreshPop. Now, for those of you who, no, try that again. Hey guys, Ray the Video Guy here, and this morning I have a review and a demo of a new product called FreshPop. And what this is a new pop-up system for your website. Now, if you don't know what a pop-up is, you should be used to them by now. Whenever you try to leave a page, a little pop-up comes in and says, hey, don't leave now. We're going to give you $1 million if you stick around. Those things have become very annoying, and while they used to be extremely effective, and some of the better ones still are, they do tend to annoy people, and people tend to close them faster than they actually look at them. So what a lot of the big sites are using now are pop-ups that show up in the bottom corner of your website, and usually with a video, which is very, very effective. And you can see these guys have been using this for a while, and they've actually done quite well with it. And so I want to show you how this works, because I think anybody who has any kind of website, this could be very effective for. Even if it's a local business or whatever it happens to be, you can really do some cool stuff with this. And I think your clients, yourself, you're really going to love this. And of course, just to show here, comes with the software, comes with training on how to make 4 figures a month with it, comes with the software training itself, backgrounds for it, because I'm going to show you why you'll need that in a second, and a fast action bonus here. And don't know what that is yet, but they'll have a fast action bonus. And of course, we've got bonuses as well. So let me pop into FreshPop here so we can show you how this works. Now you can see here on this page, I've already got a pop-up on here. It's got a background image and it's got a video on it, and we can edit that here, but I want to show you. Let's pull this away. So the way this works is when you come in here, you create a campaign name, you choose the pop-up type. Now you can do 3 different kinds in the front end of this one. Image with background video, with a video overlay. So that's what we just saw there. You can also do straight up video, so just a video pops up, and you can do a video background with an image on top of the video. Most people are probably going to go for number 1, maybe number 2, but number 3 is an option out there for people that might need that. Okay, so all you do is you choose a YouTube video, which we've already got in here. You choose whether you want it to autoplay or not. You can choose whether or not to hide the controller. You choose a background image. In this case, it was a car. You choose your image link. So this is where it's going to go when the pop-up comes up if you want to send people somewhere. So we just put in google.com in this case. Pop-up trigger on page load or at a specified delay. So if you want it to come up as soon as they load the page, you choose that option. If you want it to wait a little while, you can do that, and you can put in a certain amount of time. So we could put in, 100 seconds or whatever it happens to be. Okay, in this case, I'm going to leave it at on page load. Then you can choose an animation and a position. So you can do right or left bottom corners, and I'll show you the animation in just a second. You can choose a border for the pop-up, so you just come in and choose the color that you want. You can choose the width of the pop-up itself, as well as the width for whatever's inside there. So if you've got the image background and a video, this would set the size of the image for the whole pop-up, and this would set the size of the video, which I've got to 300 by 160. Okay, so I've reloaded the page here so that our pop-up is actually on screen. And the reason I did that is I want to show you that it's very easy to move around the video to where you want it. And then you can choose that spot. Pause that. And of course, if you want to adjust any of this, you can. We're leaving it on screen. So the reason I reloaded the page is I wanted to show you the animations here. So if you choose one of these animations, you're going to see the animation in action. Okay, so you can see it has different types of animations that you can use for this. And again, so in this case, what's going to happen is when I put this on a page, it's going to have no delay. Immediately, it's going to show this, and it's going to use the animation that's here. And again, if we want to change like the width of the pop-up, we can do that. You can put in 550. And we'll see that now it's a little bit wider there. Okay, we're going to put it back to 450. And we'll update that. And there we go. Okay, so now I've saved this out, and we're back on our FreshPop page here. And you'll see there's a short code right here. So to put this onto a page, all we have to do is copy this short code, and then you can either take an existing page on your website, or we could use a brand new page. So for instance, I'm just going to come up here and I'm going to hit add new. Okay. And I'm just going to call this page pop test. And then down here, we're just going to put in the shortcode. That simple. Now, obviously, if you were making a page, you'd put a lot more information in here, but we're just making a quick little page to test this. I'm going to hit publish. And then we will preview the page. So now when we load the page, you'll see our pop-up comes in here. And you'll notice that I actually went back, I added a very slight delay. And the reason for that is I wanted you to see the animation. And my problem is that this particular WordPress site takes a second to load. And so as you can see, it kind of does that thinking there. And if we did it right on page load, you wouldn't see the animation because my website takes too long to load. So on page load there, so we added a second delay just so you could see the animation. But that's how simple it is to do that. You just go in, you just add your shortcode, and boom, you've got your pop-up. And again, this is the type of pop-up that all the big sites are using now. And right now, you can get this at a hugely discounted price, especially today. It is going to go up later in the day. So you've got the early bird pricing right now. And of course, we've got a lot of great bonuses to go along with this. This is our bonus page. You'll be able to see this video obviously is here. You've got an official demo down here. And then look at all this. Now we've got FreshPop Cash Cannon, Facebook Live Authority, Discount Motivator Pro, WP Engage Plus, Affiliate Contest Secrets, 100 autoresponder emails, Supersonic List Machine, Pro Copywriter, make 1 to 3K per sale, 6-figure blueprint, Insta Profit Machine, and all of that is available inside the actual bonus pay, inside the actual site when you first get this. This is provided by these guys, so it's all new stuff. You don't have to deal with bonuses that I've given out to you before or anything. This is all from them, so you'll be able to pick all of these up, and once you get inside to download the actual plugin, you're going to have all these great bonuses. So overall, just a really, really good product for anybody looking to start adding, pop-ups that people actually will pay attention to. Obviously, they're much better looking than traditional pop-ups. They show up in the corner. They're not right in your face, and people will really appreciate that. And they tend to be very, very effective as shown on the sales page. So be sure to check this out. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. I'll be glad to answer them for you.